Ha! Wait here. Birdie, why is this a car right here? You know, I'll go check. Ah! 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 Birdie! Ah! Oh no! Oh no! Oh! Ha ha ha! Oh no! Ha 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 ha! What are you doing here? You know I fight his side. I'm afraid the Spinosaurus is come with me. No, it doesn't. You know the creatures are gonna poison like it. Don't be silly, I say. I'm afraid I can show you. Now, you know how sick I got. You know, that's a good escape. Well, that's fine. Then, let's start. What the? Seize him! Come on, Birdie, it's getting closer! Did you leave now? Yeah, it's time to go. Dino to escape! Okay, they should leave. Come on. What the? Their escape. Come on. Ma'am, their escape. Escape what? You're going to go find the head of the burgers outside. Yes, ma'am.